the United States grand plan to force people to buy US treasuries. And why do they want to do this? Because now they can access a Chinese consumer. You can sell digital currency to Chinese consumers. And you're like, okay, wait a minute here. Why would China agree to such a stupid deal? Well, there are actually lots of reasons, okay? The first major reason is Taiwan. Okay, so again, the United States doesn't really need Taiwan. Taiwan is over here, and what Taiwan does, that's very important for United States strategically, is it blocks China from the Pacific. So that's why American policymakers think Taiwan is important. If you're American, you're like, wait a minute here, okay? Let's just say I lose Taiwan. Let's say I say to China, I want Taiwan to return to the motherland. What happens now? Well, you create a problem because Taiwan now can block this area, okay? It can separate Southeast Asia into two parts. South Korea and Japan on one part, the Philippines, Southeast Asia, Singapore, another part. Okay, do you guys see this map? You can now divide Southeast Asia into two. This is important. Why? Because Japan, South Korea gets most of their energy through the Strait of Malacca. You basically block off South Korea and Japan from a lot of the global economy. In which case, there is absolutely no way in hell South Korea and Japan agree to let Taiwan return to China. So by the United States saying, hey, I want China and Taiwan to marry again, what you've done is you've now transferred the Taiwan problem from the United States, to South Korea and Japan. That's why strategically, it makes perfect sense for Trump to say Taiwan belongs to China. So Taiwan issue problem is solved.